2 times, still sinning. Only issue was slimmer, I wouldn't dig her. But since her body thicker, had to dick her. Slim waist, but a figure 8 figured. Whisper in the ear, tell her lies that her heart wants to hear. Heart's paralyzed, somehow it's still beating. She found her husband cheating. She asked him for a reason. Then her hubby started cheesing. Okay, told her hubby she was leaving. Then he replied, finally, now we're even. She turned around with a pound. He started